Hi, everybody. Occasionally, I will post assignments and I will ask you, it'll say time to listen. And that means that there's going to be a video of explanation. And that's what this is. Sometimes this will say, do you just need help? And you've seen one assignment like that. And all that means is maybe there might be a tech issue that I think some people might need some help with. But when it says time to listen, then literally everybody should be listening to that video. Okay. So that's what this is, just because I want to provide some additional explanation. So this question asks you to consider the main characters, think about what they most need, and then explain how you know that. Okay. And I've done the first one for you right here in red. I've done Kim. And what I said was that she needs approval from her father who died before she was born. Now, I could have said she needs to make a garden, right? Because that's what she's starting to do. But that's a little too simplistic. So if you start to think about a simplistic answer, then take it one step further. Why does she need that garden? And she needs that garden to get the approval of her father. So we always want to go one step further and always ask why. Why is that the case? And then next, how do you know? So in this case, I chose this piece of textual evidence. There were a couple of different pieces that I could have chosen. This is towards the end of the chapter, and it is, but in that vacant lot, he would see me. Now, I want to point out a couple things to you, though. First of all, and this is the expectation for right now, you're going to be putting this in quote marks because it is indeed an exact quote from the text. And then we're going to end the quote with quote marks again. Notice that there's no punctuation after me. And instead, I want you to just put parentheses, page 2, parentheses, and then a period. Now, we'll be learning a couple of different ways to do textual citations once we start writing papers. But for right now, and for the sake of basically these are going to become notes, right? You're responding to some questions and potentially you'll be using those later. For right now, this is how we want to approach that. So your punctuation should look just like mine. I hope that helps. If it did not, and you still need some additional help, obviously email me or check in with me during our live instruction or once we are back, which by the time you get to this, we probably will be back to blended. So you can also just check with me on your days that you're actually in class, whatever works for you. Okay. So thank you so much. And I will be seeing you very, very soon. Take care.